Here's how to find archived emails on Gmail in 2026. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign in to your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. On the left side of the screen, scroll down and click More. Now, select All Mail. This folder shows every email in your account, including archived messages. Archived emails are messages that don't appear in your inbox. If an email is in All Mail but not in Inbox, it means it was archived. You can also use the search bar at the top. Type keywords, the sender's name, or use In Inbox to show only archived emails. If you want an archived email back in your inbox, open it and click Move to Inbox at the top. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find archived emails in Gmail. Subscribe for more simple Gmail tutorials.